You guys were asking me how to create a tic tac toe in a Visual C++ using CLR library. So I'm first going to give a demo of something what I have created. So this is it. Like see, so I've added the full functions and I will define everything. Yeah. So let's begin from scratch. I decided to share everything with you step by step. So I'm going to start it again from scratch. So for that you need to go and click on create a new project. So after that what we have to do is click on ZAHID empty CLR. If you don't have this template, please install this template, or else you can even use CLR template. But in CLR, you have to do some extra coding. Click on next. Um, Name is anything you want, like I will name it ZAHID Tic Tac Toe Advanced. Okay, click on create, and in some time the project will be created. So in no time the project is created. Uh, then you need to click on myphone.h and it will hang, it will not open, and then you have to open in and close and again open it. Okay, right now. So it will hang. Visual Studio do often hang. Don't worry if you face such problems, and it often shows. So it's open directly. It's strange. Mostly Visual Studio never opens first time. So first change the title. Okay, tag going. So this is change. Now over here we need to add some buttons. So over here search for button. So just take this here, size it. Now copy, paste, 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 like this way. You have to make all the buttons. So over here I have finished creating all the buttons. Now we need to rename them. First I will delete all the labels. So let me delete all the text. That's the name. We need to delete all the like the label of the button or whatever. We don't need that. Okay. Then we need to change the name. Let's give it a 001 000 as I have given it in previous one. So I am labeling everything as same as I have done in the previous one. Over here, a 002, and over here I am going to change the button name to a 003. Over here, I am going to change it to a 0 1 0 a 1 1 and a 0 1 2. Sorry, so here I need to change it to a 0 1 2, and over here 0 1 0, and it must be 0 1 and 0 2. Okay, sorry, I'm doing this because I'm going to repeat the same code, because I don't want to make everything completely from scratch, because I've already coded a lot. Okay, so a 0 1 2, and over here I'm going to change the button name to a. So over here I'm going to rename it to a 0 2, what is 2 1 maybe 0 2 1, and over here it will be a 0 2 2. Okay, so 2 1 2 2 2 1 0 1 0. So over here it's like finished, done, everything is correct. Okay, so now let me add a label. Okay, label. So let us change font of the label. What should the font? Well, so over here I need to make a font size a bit. So I am going to make it 10 12. Okay, and let us change the style. Make it a bit bigger. 20 is correct, I think so. So that's it. Then change its name to L00, and change this text to X. Okay, so over here, this way. We are going to rename everything. I have kept some text over here. After that, we will delete the text. Okay, so the recording was stopped. I'm using the free version. Actually, its license is expired. this is the problem when you don't update the license. I prefer it because it's actually one of the best and it doesn't hang like other, other video recorders. So it's better than other free or premium video recorders, whether it's high screen recorder or anything, any kind of screen recorder, even the one that I get free with Windows. Okay, so yeah, so over here I have changed the label. Now over here I need to change the label. So I'm going to 0001 L01 L01. Over here it will be L03. Over here it will be L10. Over here it will be L11. Over here it will be L12. So over here it will be L12, and over here it will be L2B. Oh, how L2G? L21 and L20, L20 over here, and over here it will be L22. So let me check if all the labels are correct. Everything is correct. L00, L01, L1, LG102. It will be 102. Okay. L10 over here. Over here, L12. So everything is correct. So everything over here is correct. So now let us change the text. Let us make all this empty over here. So I'm going to remove this all X from here. So all this text is okay. So now you need to open this file. So this will open the code. Sometimes it doesn't open. Just click on this one so it should open. I'm going to delete some things. So delete this like this. I have done full process. Save this. What's this? Hmm. So here you need to go with the okay. This is in public. You need to define some variables. Let me check what I declared over here. Okay, so I use players and commands. Okay. So I'm going to use same chain over here. Player. Oh, I forgot. Int player. Over here, I'm going to initialize this value as maybe 2. So int count is equal to 0. But up. So guys, as you have seen, I have done this. I've initialized two values in player 2 and in count. So now let me make something better. So over here I am going to use if else loop. So guys, over here I am going to define system. So this is system. I'm using scope resolution and system string. What's happening with me? System string sr. I'm giving string sr, and let me take the input from the label what text is. So over here we named different labels. Now you can see those labels as we okay. So you can just go back in the video and see that. So we created labels as you know. So those labels over here. So L 0 0 over here X. Okay. So this is a string. Now I'm going to use it if else loop. if. So inside if, what I am going to do is sr double equal to this. This function will be called, okay, only if the text is empty. So if the string is empty, so I need to add some string over there. To add some string, if sr double equal to x. No. If I will see the count. Okay, I will see the count. No, I will see also the player. If player, okay, percentage 2 double equal to 0. So if the remainder is 0, we will have our function label. Oh, okay, it's L double zero. So over here, if L, I'm going to mean, okay, I am going to change the text to X. So, so I have changed the text. Now that I have changed the text, I'm going to increase the layer. Layer plus then count plus. So I have increased both the player and the count. Okay, but now what to do if it's the player count is not 0? So to make that, I am going to use else. So this is how our else will work. So over here, I'm going to copy the same, paste it over here. But um, I will just change it to or Yahoo or 0. 0 is also okay. 0. Okay. So this is our simple program. Okay. So let us copy this entire thing. Over here we need to change this to public. So this is private, so we need to change it to public. Go from click over here, paste it here, change this to 02. While the last place where you will see change to 02. Okay, so like this way we need, and remember make all this thing public. Okay, so like this way we need to do for all the buttons. Okay, correction over the first one, there is L01 not L02, so I was going to do mistake everywhere. So yeah, so guys, I have done all this, so everything is done as you can see. So this is done. Done, done, done. Now let us check this. So is it working? No. Oh yeah. So let us check. So this is UX. So it's functioning properly, but there are certain problems. Okay, so we need to get the results answer to all that, so we need to add all that stuff. Okay, so for that we will develop a function. Are we going to add that functions? Well, let us count. This is 3 3 3 9, total 9 buttons we have. Okay, so over here in this section of code, in each button we have to add a code. Now let me check. Over here I'm going to add another if statement over here. Like this over here. Okay. So if count is less than or equal to 9. Okay, so it's valid only if count is less than or equal to 9, and you need to add this in all the statements, and don't forget that you enclose everything.